And there you have it. You're gonna have the cutest notebook in school. Your very own DIY pom-pom notebook. And there we have it, all done. Hey Princess Squad, it's T. Today we are going to do some DIY back to school supplies from Dollar Tree.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab some supplies for our DIY pencils. We're definitely gonna need something plain because really we're gonna just paint it white, which I already have at home. So let's go ahead and grab one of these and let's go look for the nail polish. Okay, I found the nail polish. Let's pick out some colors. Ooh, I'm really actually liking this blue. It's really like bright and vibrant. Let's get this. And these are kind of a bit too dark. Let's go down here and check. Ooh, this one's kind of like a mauve color. It's pinkish, purpley. Let me hold on to this one. This one's a maybe. And let's see what else. I think I need some pink. This one's a bright color. I think they'll do really good. Okay, I got 3. I say we look for one more. I'm kind of liking this. This color here is kind of like a sage mint color. It's really nice. Let's go with this one. Okay, so for our next DIY project, we're gonna need some notebooks. And I'm kind of thinking these composition ones will be great because they're just a little thicker. And it doesn't really matter because we're covering it with pom-poms and things like that anyways. But I mean, come on. This one's too cute to pass up. Okay, so we're gonna need some like pipe cleaners or some pom-poms. Let's see what they have. Why is this like all Christmas colors? We can't be having that all year long. So let's check out what pom-poms they have. These are like half colored, half white. Kind of strange. This one is colorful. It's not bad, but it kind of has some glittery pieces. How about these? They're like very bright and neon colors. I mean, I think let's just go with a couple of these.
Okay, we need some of these here. I'm just gonna grab like a white one. Gonna need some little scrap paper. Oh, let's see here. That's kind of cute. We're gonna need some Post-it notes. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with like yellow, green.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a vase because we're gonna make it like something that we could put pencils and like scissors and things like that. So let's just go with something simple. I think this is a good size. So I kind of found different beads. I'm thinking maybe we can like glue these on. I'm loving these light pastel colors. I mean, they're just really soft and pretty. So let's go with that. And you know I love putting words on my things and or my name. So let's go ahead and grab one of these.
Okay, found our Post-its here. There's so many different ones to pick from. This is so colorful. This is cute. This one comes in like different shapes. Let's grab some of these. We are back from Dollar Tree and we got a bunch of supplies and we're going to show you guys how to make these DIY school supplies with just stuff from Dollar Tree. So let's get started.
First, we're gonna make pom-pom notebooks.
These are the supplies that you will be needing.
You're gonna need a notebook, pom-poms, and a glue gun with glue sticks.
This one is super simple. They actually do have these glue sticks and glue guns at Dollar Tree, but we had some so we didn't get it, but you can get that there. And it's super simple. You just take your pom-poms and glue them on to your notebook with your glue stick.
So I'm thinking the most simple way to do this is basically put one dot of glue onto the notebook and then just add on your pom-pom.
All right, let's try it. Be careful not to burn yourself.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and do it.
One dot of glue, one pom-pom, and I say we just do it randomly. I think that'll be a lot more fun.
Glue there, we're almost done. Woohoo! Woo! We figured, you guys, we could just do a line and then put it down, or you could do dots. It's up to you. And there you have it. You're gonna have the cutest notebook in school. Your very own DIY pom-pom notebook. What do you guys think of our notebook? I really like it. It's like fluffy.
Ooh, super soft.
And I feel like if I'm stressed, I can like, yeah, sleep.
But you know what else?
Huh?
I'm thinking maybe we could make a matching pencil to go with our notebook.
Oh, it'll be like a pom-pom pencil. That's a great idea. Let's make that. All done! You can totally make this with a pen also.
Alright, next up we're going to be decorating this vase to make it our pencil holder. We're going to use some ribbon, a vase, and some beads. Okay, so really you can use any color ribbon or any beads you like. We just chose our favorite colors. So I say maybe we should like wrap it around with this purple one.
Like all the way or random?
Kind of like randomly.
Okay.
And then we could go back and maybe do like the blue and then we'll add the beads. Yeah. Okay, I'm actually gonna go with the blue ribbon first since it's kind of solid. Let's go ahead and tape the end. And I say let's just follow the curve of the glass. That way it's more stable. And then let's glue here.
All right, let's put a little bit of glue here.
Okay, now we're gonna go around with the purple.
Be careful not to burn yourself. All right, now that this is completed, I actually really like how it is. It's not completely done yet. We're gonna have to add the beads. We got these beads from Dollar Tree. You can get whichever one you like. We have these letters, and we figure we can spell something out. What should we spell, fam? How about T is the best?
How about not? How about we do Princess Squad?
Oh, I like that. So we could spell Princess Squad and then stick some beads on there. Okay, awesome.
I think that's good.
Okay, so far this is what we have. Princess Squad. Speaking of Princess Squad, if you guys have not subscribed to our Instagram or our TikTok, make sure you subscribe. It's princesssquad.official. We're gonna put it right here. Make sure you guys follow us for more amazing content. Okay, now let's finish it up with more beads.
Okay, so our beads package actually comes with different sizes, a large, a medium, and small, but I say we go with the large, the mediums, and check out these cute roses. Let's add those into the mix.
So strategically, we're just gonna glue some of the big pieces on the part where you can see the hot glue gun, you know, to kind of hide it. All right.
Okay, so let's just get at it. So here, and I'm just gonna try to willy-nilly this, but I'm really bad at doing that.
You got this. And there we have it, all done. Next, we're going to show you guys how to make some cool pencils because regular pencils are boring. So you can get any kind of pencils you want. We got these colorful pencils. If you have the regular pencils, you can have the option to spray paint them like white or whatever color you want, but we got colorful pencils. So let's get started. You're going to need
pencils, a stick, a container with water, and some nail polish.
Okay, we're gonna start with our nail polish. We got at Dollar Tree. Again, if you have these at home, you can use it, but we didn't, so we got these at Dollar Tree because it's a Dollar Tree DIY school supplies. We're gonna shake it up and then pour it in randomly in our container filled with water. Now that that's all done, let's go ahead and dip our pencil in. Pick any color pencil and let's dip. And then to clean your container, just use your little stick to scoop up all the extra nail polish that you did not use.
All right, that's it. And now you just let them dry.
And that's the end of our back to school DIY school supplies at Dollar Tree. If you would like more of these, leave a comment below, let us know so we can make part 2. But don't forget to follow us on our social, like Instagram and TikTok. We'll leave the name right here. It's princesssquad.official for more amazing content.
And don't forget to always dream big,
Have fun, and be kind. Bye.